Applying for a debit card in Halifax is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can apply for your debit card in Halifax Bank. So for that, I'm at my browser and I'm going to search for Halifax debit card application, or you can simply type Halifax. And here you have to click on this open a bank account online. And it will take you to their homepage, which is halifax.co.uk. Now here you have to search for apply for debit card, and if I click on that, it will give me all the articles and the products as well. So I'm just going to click on this here, credit cards, and just click on this check your eligibility, and I have to click on this check now. Now what it will do is it will want me to log into my account first. After logging into my account, as you guys can see, I have to fill out all the information. You will easily be able to see if you are eligible for the card or not. If you are eligible, you will also see an option for application. You just need to, check your eligibility. After that, you can simply apply for your debit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can apply for debit card in Halifax. Hope you guys find this video helpful.